yɛkɔ Kumase Metema Kumase Asante Kotoko omo akache ne yɛkɔ hwede yɛkɔ so still a goalkeepers be ni mu no ntemo nheda engo papa bia sai sanse fans ni mu achemienu ebi se Felix Anan na heavy ana ebi se ba no na heavy ni ade a goalkeepers trainer no na no atum kotoko goalkeepers trainer ne nsɛm ni
prayer there or something competitive and your team depend on one goalkeeper or say supporters need to say team depend on one goalkeeper they become bound by Kotoko because people say if I do it you know not just say but I can say we always try to depend on only Felix and in every sense no say Felix price we say and Kotoko to me be a coach you know it's not easy to coach Kotoko and it's not easy to play Kotoko because a very distinct. So sometimes you have to give credit to even Kwame Ban, say or buy not the chance, you know. But we take here, and we have more matches to play. And I was saying, you know, you support to you know, whoever that ever used to see me so go down. Was say support to a Kotoko. It's not about prayer, a Kotoko, because this Kotoko. Team no win here, a Kotoko now win, any prayer now win, a team, it's a team. So the says Sikwan Bankoda, not say the team win here, they perform well. Is there to be, I mean, you got this Kakoton, a bad team, you know, say on Sumbra, no, we say, the Fano say on no bear bench, we say no. And Felix, you know, so at least on the buy, no, on the fight here, and also anybody position. So, and yeah, about say. And now we say no. They are almost very good. When we are training, we discuss everything together. They discuss, they advise each other, they motivate each other because it's a teamwork, and I'm happy for that. And the supporters, you know, almost say this is Kotoko, and Obia, you registered in Diano, or the chance or the opportunity of the ball because it's not easy. It's not
Joe Bay goalkeeper trainer at the Mama Tema Kumase Asante Kotoko na wade ne nsam to adwasa na busanya